My new favorite way to drink water is with Cirkul. These flavors are amazing. They flavor your beverage sip by sip, and you can use the handy dial feature on it to customize your preferred level of flavor. You can adjust from 1 to 10. I found my preferred level is 3, although some days I want more burst of flavor, so I'll turn it up to a 5 or 6. And some days I just want to sip water, so you can actually turn it off too, which is amazing. So it comes with a handy water bottle, and you can get up to 70 different flavors to choose from, which is amazing. Each of these flavors has a different type of benefit, so that you can get like the caffeine, electrolytes, even vitamins, so vitamin water, that's amazing, and more. But what is best is the water is so delicious. The flavorings are so yummy. I have really enjoyed using them and trying them out. I found that one cartridge will last me about a week and a half, 2 weeks if I stay around the 2 or 3 level. So that is amazing. You get a great value for your money as well. It helps you stay hydrated without having to drink boring water. I mean, for me, I know I get so tired of just sipping regular water all the time. It's great to have that flavor. So I've really loved using that. You get 0 sugar and zero calories also with these amazing flavors from Cirkul. It is fun. I found myself that I'm drinking more water with me. I'm taking the water bottle with me everywhere because it's yummy and handy and amazing. So I love it. You get your water your way with Cirkul. You truly do. And I love that the lid on the bottle is held back nicely and stays out of the way while drinking. So it's just super easy to have it and drink, and it doesn't spill out the top either, which is amazing. So great for on the go, especially. Cirkul is an amazing family brand I know you guys are going to love, so check them out in my link below. I have really loved this water. I drink a lot more, which helps me get my 8 to 10 cups a day joyfully and easily. So check out Cirkul today.